What is up, guys, and thanks for joining me on another video. If you don't know, my name is Garrett and I'm running the Go See It channel, and basically this channel is exactly that. I'm trying to inspire you to get outside and go see it. With that said, we do adventures, we also do installs, and today I'm back. I know it's been 2 weeks. I'm trying to do a video every week. Like I've said in a previous video, I am a teacher. We just started up school again. I'm 3 weeks into the school year. It's been a whirlwind, as any teacher knows. The beginning of the school year is absolutely crazy. Doesn't matter how many years you've been doing it. So finally things are settling down for me. I have some free time on the weekend to get back to YouTube, my hobby, my Harley. We also got a Sea-Doo that I'm going to start bringing content to the channel with that as well. But with all that said, I just want to say I appreciate you guys following me. The channel has blown up over the last couple of weeks. I guess the algorithm's starting to hit. I'm stoked. We hit 1,000 followers or subs. And I just want to say thank you to each of you because I appreciate that. That's been my goal, is 1,000. We met that, so I'm stoked. Now the next goal is 5,000. So tell your friends, tell your family, give me a follow. I truly appreciate it. Today we are going to be installing this guy. This is the Thrashin Skid Plate for about 3 weeks, and I have not been able to do it, which leads me to my next discussion. The reason I haven't been able to do this is because the Harley was in Harley Davidson. Down here in Las Vegas, I used Red Rock Harley for the fork recall. So at 3,200 miles, my fork developed the fork squeak that I've read about on some of the forums. I was like, oh no, I hope it's not. I took it on a ride to bring it back. It's squeaking bad. So I call Harley, we drop it off. They have their techs look at it. 2 days later, they reach out to Harley Corporate or Harley Tech, whatever it is. And they said, without any questions, they're just sending brand new cartridges. They didn't explain to my advisor or the tech why or what's causing the problem, which when I picked up the bike, they were a little frustrated because they would like to know. Harley just sent the new cartridges. They expedited the shipping. It took about 3 days to get it after we found the initial issue, and Harley okayed the warranty work. And it was all said and done, I think Harley had my bike for 7 or 8 days, so not too bad at all. So shout out to Red Rock Harley for the A+ service again. I don't see a sticker. Oh, maybe it's in the box. All right, Thrashin. Love these dudes. I love the fact they're made in the USA. I just like that they're all chill guys too. Super cool personalities. Like, take my money. You guys deserve it. Oh, here's our stickers. Oh, cool. We got some new styles in. Pretty sick. And here we are. Beautiful. Let's get this guy installed. All right, first things first, we need to remove our pretty little lower fairing. All right, there's that. Bam, that's easy. It's just those 4 clips in the back. All right, you're gonna come over to this side. You're gonna look the bolt right to the right of your floorboard that's sticking out, and you're gonna go in here. And you need a 5/16, and you're just gonna loosen that guy up. All right, let's go to the next side. All right, throttle side. We're pulling the same one off right here. So right to the left of the one sticking pretty far up. We're gonna pull that out, and then we're also pulling out this one on a radiator guard right here. Okay, so pretty easy. So let's get those pulled out. All right, bolt out. Bolt out. As you can see, there's Loctite in there. So that means we need to put more Loctite on these. So we're gonna do that. All right, we got that bolt in. We got that bolt in. As you can see, the skid plate is now on. The tolerances are pretty tight. What I did is I got this in, just put the screw in to hold it. You got to yank on this bracket a little bit downward, and then the screw will go in. But you got to give it a little bit of a push. Now let's go do the other side. It's probably gonna be pretty tight. Whew, all right. Well, I got it in. I took a screwdriver, and if you just butt it up right here, I had to just give it a couple whacks to back that up just a little bit. But now all we gotta do is tighten these down, throw the front fairing back on, and our Thrashin skid plate is on, guys. So not too hard. Definitely gotta lay down to get to it though. Give her a couple good wacky poos. Alright guys, well there you have it. The skid plate is on. That wasn't too bad. I had to get on the ground and I look a little warmer than I should. It is a little muggy here in Vegas today. About 105 is the high, but we got tons of clouds rolling in right now for monsoon season, so it's a sticky one out here. But as you can see, that goes pretty well. Thrashin's known to make their tolerances really tight, which I love, but you do need to put a little muscle into getting those bolt holes to line up for that skid plate. But it's pretty simple, pretty easy. If you can put anything on your bike like these, or their brake control, brake pedal, you'll be having no problems getting that on. That's 3 bolts. It's probably one of the easiest installs on the bike. So, as always, thank you for watching. Our next video that will be coming up is a riding video. I'm doing a 2-up run out to Zion and Bryce Canyon next weekend, so that should be super fun. I'm gonna have some new content coming up on the Sea-Doo as well, so stay tuned for all that stuff. And we should have another install with our Baja lights coming up on the Harley, hopefully within a couple weeks. And then in about 2 months, we'll be doing a home Thrashin install, bar setup. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. It helps me, makes me feel very good inside. But for real, I'm not making any money on this. I just enjoy doing it. It's my hobby. I like being creative. So I like seeing the followers. It just makes me want to do more. So again, thank you very much. Remember, ride safe, keep 2 wheels down on the ground, unless you're popping a wheelie, that's cool. And just go out there, man, go see it. That's what this channel's about. So until next time, go see it, have fun, ride safe, do whatever you do. Thanks, guys.